So I'm going to take the Master Matte's Brightening Pencil and I'm gonna go right along the inner rim of the eyes or the waterline. What this pencil does is it just removes any redness, it brightens the eye, it really opens up the eye as well. For me, it is just the perfect shade of nude. It's not too pink, it's not yellow, it's not green, and have ochre in it, and so it is very flattering on the inner rim of the eyes. It works beautifully to open the eyes up, to brighten the eyes, and also you could use it as a base before eyeshadow if you like, in places like right underneath the brow bone. I often use it right into this corner right here. This is a one swipe application. Gives you beautiful coverage without looking or feeling too opaque. Velvety smooth finish, and it has a beautiful long-lasting staying power. All right, so that was it. Just a quick and easy way how to use the Master Matte's Brightening Pencil. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more content.